Hey everyone, you're welcome back. Okay guys, so if you're new here, you are most and highly welcome. So how are you doing and how is your day? So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you an healthy ingredient that will help you to boost your egg quality. Now this is going to make you reproduce. This is amazing. Like, reproduction is going to be your portion, definitely. Okay guys, all right, so let's go give this a try. Let me show you all of the amazing ingredients. Okay, so do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share the video. Now let's go. Okay guys, so an amazing way to boost your egg quality and give birth to some beautiful baby. Okay, so we're gonna be needing this, and this is gloves. Okay, and you're gonna be needing some gloves, just like this. Now this is actually helpful guys. It's actually a spice. Okay, it helps so much to boost the quality of the egg, and it also helps for the body. Yeah, so how we're going to do this is that grab a pot, and then we're gonna be putting the gloves. Then we equally need some uyayak. Okay, so you can actually look this up to get the name in which you know, but for me right now I actually know this as uyayak, which is my local dialect. Okay, so this is very great in boosting your egg quality, and it will actually, you know, enable you to deliver some beautiful baby. So this is how you're going to actually remove it. Yeah, one side of this is actually very strong and stiff, while the other side is very soft. Now this is a spice guys. Okay, it's used for cooking, and it's actually very helpful. Okay, so this is what you're going to do also. You're equally going to be putting that into the gloves. And there are two ways in which you can do this. You can decide to, you know, keep this overnight without cooking, or you can actually decide to cook it. Yeah, because it is a spice. Okay, so we're gonna be putting in water, and then we're gonna go cook this up for like 3 to 5 minutes approximately. Yeah. Okay, so while we go to prepare that, we're going to be needing fenugreek seed. You can buy the seed online. I actually got mine. I ordered mine online too. Fenugreek seed is great for it's great for the hair. Okay, so what we're gonna be doing is that we're gonna be grabbing a pot also, but I'm gonna be putting it in this bowl at first. So I'm gonna be putting few of the seed. My baby is saying hello. Okay, so we're equally going to be needing some moringa leaves. We're going to be needing some moringa leaf for this, okay? So watch this video to the end so you could actually see how I'm going to be doing this. This is super duper amazing. This is working like really good, okay? So we're going to plug all of the moringa leaf into this bowl. So at first you're going to be putting in the fenugreek seed into the pot. You put in water, and then also you're going to be pouring in the moringa leaf. Okay, so I'm actually going to be putting enough water for the fenugreek seed and the moringa leaf to be able to cook together. So I'm going to be pouring in more water. This is actually enough. So I'm going to go cook this for at least 5 minutes so that the fenugreek seed juice can be induced into this moringa water, and I'm going to be right back. Hey guys, so this is the glove and the uyayak. Okay, so I've actually kept it for it to cool down, and then okay, so this is it. Okay, so for this particular one, you can actually turn it in, and this is the fenugreek seed, soft. You turn everything in, and then what you do here is that you just sit over this. Okay, the flame has actually gone down because I've kept it for some time, but what you do here is that when you turn it into this, you just sit over it. Okay, you sit over this thing, and then it actually helps so much to, you know, get into your woman, you know, and then it's heal you up, it boosts your egg quality, and it also enable you give birth to some beautiful damsel baby. Okay, just like this oyaya is perfect. Yeah, it's amazing. So you do this as much as you can even remember, even if it's once in a week or thereabout. You do this and you're good to go. Okay, you are good to go. Just be there producing those beautiful damsel of a baby. So that's it, guys. You are going to be giving birth to some beautiful princess and queen. Okay, and prince too. And king also. Okay guys, so all right, so that's it. If you did enjoy watching this video, please give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and hit on that like button. Okay, bye guys.